Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about DEVONthink and Paperless-ngx, and I will help you to decide which document management software is better in 2025. So let's start with DEVONthink. DEVONthink is a macOS exclusive app built for knowledge management, archiving, and smart document storage. It uses AI to auto-classify and search files intelligently. Paperless-ngx, on the other hand, is a cross-platform, open-source solution for scanning, tagging, and storing documents in a user-friendly interface. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, platform support. DEVONthink only works on Mac OS, while Paperless-ngx works on Windows, Linux, and Mac, making it a better choice for mixed or non-Apple users. Step number 2, AI and search. DEVONthink excels at AI-powered search and organization. Its smart groups and contextual tagging are best in class, while Paperless-ngx offers basics OCR and tag-based search. Number 3, ease of use. Paperless-ngx is a cleaner for beginners and ideal for digital filing. DEVONthink, on the other hand, is more advanced and better suited for researchers, lawyers, or academics. Number 4, their pricing. DEVONthink is paid software with different license tiers, while Paperless-ngx is 100% free and open source. Number 5, their integration. DEVONthink integrates well with Apple's ecosystem, shortcuts, mail, and reminders. Paperless-ngx is API-friendly and better for self-hosting or enterprise control. In short, you can go with DEVONthink if you want a deep AI-powered research tool and you are on a Mac OS, and choose Paperless-ngx if you want a free, cross-platform, privacy-friendly document manager. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.